Once we have all our components ready for the club sandwich, we need to toast 3 slices of bread. Place the 3 slices of bread on the chopping board. Moisten it with some mayonnaise. The first layer should be that of your lettuce. Trim the lettuce according to the length of the bread, making sure that there is no overflow. Place the lettuce on the bread and then cover it up with slices of tomato. Season the tomato with salt and black pepper. Place the next layer of bread on top of the tomato. Moisten it with mayonnaise. On this layer, place your bacon slices, making sure they do not overflow. Trim as per the length of the bread. On this layer, place pre-sliced chicken pieces, making sure it does not overflow. The third slice, moisten it with mayonnaise and cover it over the chicken. Trim the edges of the bread from top to bottom on all 4 sides, taking away the crust or any excessive piece of food or lettuce or tomato from the edges of the bread. Secure the sandwich with toothpicks on all 4 sides. Once this is done, using your bread knife, cut it diagonally across the sandwich into 4 quarters. Keeping the toothpicks intact, display the club sandwich with the open side facing up.